Okay, so I'm recording in the bathroom again. Today I'm going to be trying out the MySmile Teeth Whitening product. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in the box and then how to actually use it. It comes with 3 of these. There's 3 milliliters of gel inside, and it says in the instructions to use half a milliliter of gel on each tray, so the top and the bottom tray. And then you've got this cable over here for charging your MySmile. If you turn it on here, you hold down the power button, super bright. Hold it for a few seconds to turn it off. As you can see here, it's like a proprietary charger, so you definitely don't want to lose this. It does come with 3 of these syringes, so you can use that actually 3 times per syringe, so 9 times total. So definitely don't lose this thing, because I assume that that thing will probably die before you run out of all of that. You do use it for about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to show you guys my teeth. I know they're not perfect, okay? You don't have to make fun of me in the comments. I do drink coffee. That's probably why my teeth are a little bit yellow like that. And we're going to see if this helps at all. So you got to pop this cap off and you just twist that off. So this is your tray. You've got your top and you've got your bottom. I don't know how I'm going to put it on the bottom and then the top and have it not fall out, but okay. So now we're going to get half a milliliter in here. That's about half a milliliter on this side. We'll move it around, and then we'll flip over to this side, get half a milliliter in there. Okay. Move it around so that it's everywhere in there. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing here, but I'm just taking this and making sure that I'm rubbing around the gel that I put in here. So now, I'm supposed to put this in my mouth for 10 minutes. I'm not gonna make you watch that, but let's see what happens. Again, my teeth, yellow. Let's see what happens in 10 minutes. Okay, and now for the big reveal. Is it any whiter? So I don't know why I was expecting pearly whites after 1 day of treatment, but at any rate, I'm gonna just show you guys the 7 days of treatment and to see what the difference is in the whiteness of my teeth. So this is day 2, this is day 3, this is day 4, this is day 5, this is day 6, and this is day 7. So let's just go back to day 1 and then back to day 7 a couple times just to kind of show you guys the difference. I feel like on camera it doesn't show up as well as in person, but my teeth definitely look a little bit whiter. I like that it's not like so much whiter that it's very obvious that I whiten my teeth, but for me it does make a big enough difference that it's noticeable for me, and I do like that my teeth look a little bit whiter now. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this package, I'll have a link in the description below. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.